This is a really interesting time in history. These days, anyone can quickly become wealthy or impoverished. At the moment, those that own XRP Ripple are on the verge of being wealthy. The legal dispute between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission is drawing to a close, and we are unable to remain silent any longer. Isn't it a very great thing to do? Additionally, it has been speculated that the price of XRP Ripple would reach $589 by the time the month comes to a close. Even if it's just a rumor, it's not something that should be turned down. Now, without further ado, let's get to the topic without any further bullshit. Thank you very much. As XRP Ripple waits for a probable ruling in the court battle it is now engaged in with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the overall cryptocurrency community is experiencing a great deal of excitement. April 2024 marked the beginning of the trial for the case, which had been going on for more than 3 years at that point. The parties involved are waiting with bated breath for a settlement. The sentiment was encapsulated in a tweet that was sent out by Jack the Rippler, a well-known proponent of XRP. The case might be resolved by the time July 2024 comes to a close. There have been hints made by the CEO of Ripple that the fight may soon be done, which is in line with what lawyers say the conclusion is anticipated to occur before the end of the summer. There have been additional reports that a settlement news could be coming soon as a result of the SEC meeting that took place today. The meeting was originally scheduled to take place on July 18th, but it was postponed. There are a number of subjects, including administrative procedures and litigation, that are scheduled to be discussed during the conference. Is an issue that has generated a lot of discussion within the industry, and many people believe that the Ripple case will be a primary focus. It is essential to keep in mind, however, that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) regularly holds meetings of this nature, and very frequently they do not discuss the Ripple issue. The professionals and investors, on the other hand, are really enthusiastic about what is about to take place. As a result of the judicial victories that Ripple achieved in 2023, its supporters have gained more faith, which has led to a significant increase in the price of XRP. Ripple has not only become more powerful in the perspective of the law as a result of these partial victories, but on the other hand, they have also provoked interest in the Bitcoin market as a whole. The situation is becoming increasingly more peculiar. It would be irresponsible to ignore the opinions of crypto researchers and experienced professionals in the field. What they believe in is what they do. Ripplecoin has experienced a meteoric surge of XRP. I can assure you that this is not something you will anticipate hearing. It is going to blow your mind to hear this. Try not to miss it. Keep an eye out for the time being. As a result, supporters and industry professionals alike are optimistic and believe that XRP has the potential to make a significant rise. As a result of this, price levels can reach higher levels than ever before. It is clear that people are quite enthusiastic about XRP, as seen by recent tweets and studies that anticipate a significant increase in its value. There was a tweet from Jack the Rippler that inquired, "Are you ready for the moon? It is a description of how the majority of individuals who favor XRP feel they want the price to increase significantly." XRP community member Cobb, who is also well known in the community, expressed his excitement about this. XRP pump it up, which he just tweeted, echoed the optimistic disposition of the audience. A Bitcoin specialist by the name of Flash has stated that the moment has arrived for XRP and has established an outlandish price goal of $587. Among all the forecasts, this is one of the most intriguing ones. The basis for this forecast, which calls for a nearly 100-fold increase from where it is currently, is a thorough analysis of the price trends of XRP in the past, as well as its performance in the most recent period. Demonstrates that XRP has taken on the shape of a symmetrical triangle ever since it reached its highest point of around $2 during the bull run in 2021. According to Flash, XRP is beginning to emerge from current downward trend, and larger green weekly candles are providing confirmation for this assertion. Please allow me to provide you with some background information. Earlier this month, the price of XRP dropped below 40 cents, which was one of its lowest points in almost 2 years. On the other hand, it immediately recovered, and after a 20% recovery, it surpassed the 50-cent milestone. And culminating on July 13th at around 52 cents per unit. Before reaching a plateau, the price of XRP continued to rise and reached a 3-month high of more than 63 cents. Observers of the market are paying attention to the consistent upward trend that has been observed for the past 2 weeks. An individual who is an expert in technological matters has stated that historical data indicates an increase of up to 800%. The chart of Flash demonstrates a favorable breakout pattern, which is characterized by the formation of 3 enormous green candles at the conclusion of 2 consecutive weeks. There are a lot of people in the cryptocurrency sector that are curious about this new development and making assumptions about it. The target of $587, on the other hand, is seen with a combination of optimistic and pessimistic sentiments. In order for the price to reach that level of value, it would have to increase by approximately 100,000%, which is an idea that a lot of people find to be extraordinary and fascinating at the same time. The market is expected to go up, according to analyst Alex Cobb, who is a little more concerned about it than the other analysts. Show that you have a genuine belief that this could be the cycle that ultimately breaks the curse that has been placed on XRP and propels it to new heights. This sentiment is bolstered by the good improvements that have taken place in the Ripple environment, which many individuals believe are preparing the groundwork for a significant increase in price. People who have been holding XRP for a significant amount of time but did not participate in the bull run that occurred in 2021 are still holding out hope that this cycle would reverse itself. The combination of technical indicators and positive feedback from analysts and fans results in a powerful combination. Tells a captivating tale about the potential of XRP in the future. Flash, along with a number of other analysts, has pointed out that the current trajectory of XRP could potentially be the beginning of a significant breakout, which could make it a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. In addition, it would be irresponsible to disregard the ways in which XRP Ripple impacts and assists individuals all around the world. The most recent developments have been very remarkable, and our cherished cryptocurrency is making progress in the realm of finance that is both modest and significant nonetheless. Consider being a part of a transformation that is taking place in the financial sector, that is taking place in the background. It's possible that this remarkable indication of a favorable trend is the big break you've been waiting for all along. Be sure that you do not pass up this wonderful opportunity. You can find out why XRP Ripple might be the next great thing in the cryptocurrency industry by watching the video. In the world of cryptocurrencies, XRP Ripple has been receiving a lot of attention, and recent occurrences indicate the changes that might be quite significant. The fact that an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP will soon be accessible is one of the most intriguing possibilities. As a result of a directive from Ripple partner SBI Holdings, they are entering the exchange-traded fund ETF market. Changes like this might have significant repercussions for XRP and the way it functions within the global banking system. SBI Holdings Inc. is getting ready to make a significant impact in the world. It has a close link with Ripple and focuses on digital assets, both of which have contributed to its reputation. SBI began producing coins that cannot be exchanged for cash on July 1st in preparation for the World Expo that will take place in Osaka, Japan in 2025, indicating that it is serious about embracing digital technologies that are at the cutting edge of their field. This demonstrates how committed SBI is, as evidenced by their recent announcement that they intend to form an investment management company in collaboration with Franklin Templeton, a major investment firm in the United States. This new company that will concentrate on digital assets will be owned by Franklin Templeton to the extent of 49%, while SBI will hold 51% of the company. People's interest in the concept of an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP has increased as a result of these improvements. One sort of investment fund is known as an exchange-traded fund ETF, and it is traded on stock exchanges in the same way that stocks are exchanged. With the assistance of a method known as arbitrage, exchange-traded funds ETFs are able to maintain a trading price that is relatively near to their net asset value. These assets include equities, commodities, and bonds. Creating an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP would provide investors with a secure and straightforward method of investing in XRP without actually having to purchase the cryptocurrency itself. Monica Long, the president of Ripple, has advocated for the introduction of an XRP spot exchange-traded fund ETF in the United States market. She has stated that XRP is suitable for the launch of such an ETF because it constantly ranks among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. With that being said, Nate Grazzi, who is the head of the ETF store, believes that the market might not be ready for a spot ETF just yet. A futures exchange-traded fund ETF, which trades in contracts to purchase or sell an item at a later period, should be placed ahead of a spot ETF, as he made it quite apparent at the outset. In order to guarantee a history of legitimate business dealings, what exactly is the purpose of an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP?